Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're thinking about snagging a Capital One credit card in 2025, getting pre-approved is a smart first step. It helps you gauge your eligibility without hurting your credit score too much. In this video, I'll walk you through the process step by step, so you can apply with confidence. Let's dive in. First things first, what is pre-approval? It's basically a preliminary check by Capital One to see if you might qualify for a card based on your credit profile. This isn't a guarantee, but it's a great way to avoid surprises. For 2025, Capital One has streamlined their process, often using soft credit pulls that won't ding your score. Step 1. Check your credit score. Aim for at least 700 if possible, as this boosts your chances. You can get a free report from sites like annualcreditreport.com. Knowing your score helps you decide if now's the right time. Step 2. Head to Capital One's official website or app. Look for the pre-qualified offers section. They might have personalized options based on your info. If you're not seeing anything, you can use their eligibility checker. Step 3. Enter your basic details as prompted. This usually includes your name, address, and some financial info. It's quick and doesn't require a full application yet. Step 4. Review the offers. If you're pre-approved, you'll get details on the card, limits, and next steps. If not, don't worry, use this as a learning opportunity. A few tips for 2025. Keep an eye on Capital One's updates, as they might adjust criteria based on economic changes. Pay down any existing debts, avoid new credit applications, and ensure your financial docs are ready. This can significantly improve your odds. Wrapping up, getting pre-approved for a Capital One card is straightforward and empowers you to make better decisions. Give it a try today, and remember, always read the fine print. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time.